Welcome to Modern Homes and Gardens, where design meets nature. Transform your space, elevate your vibe. Every remarkable space begins with a simple idea, the belief that a home should inspire comfort, beauty, and a deeper connection to the world around us. Great design isn't about following trends or filling a room with expensive pieces. It's about creating an environment that feels welcoming, balanced, and timeless, where every detail contributes to an atmosphere that is both functional and unforgettable. The most captivating spaces invite you to slow down, appreciate your surroundings, and enjoy the harmony between architecture, texture, light, and nature. Whether indoors or outdoors, thoughtful design has the power to transform ordinary places into personal sanctuaries that encourage relaxation, creativity, and meaningful moments with family and friends. Natural materials, carefully selected finishes, and layered greenery work together to create environments that feel alive throughout every season. Soft lighting, inviting pathways, comfortable gathering areas, and carefully considered proportions all play a role in building spaces that feel effortless while reflecting exceptional craftsmanship. Every element, no matter how small, contributes to a larger story of elegance, warmth, and lasting quality. Luxury is no longer defined by excess. Instead, it is found in simplicity, attention to detail, and designs that stand the test of time. A well-designed space doesn't compete for attention. It quietly impresses through balance, comfort, and thoughtful planning. The result is an atmosphere that feels both sophisticated and deeply personal, offering beauty without sacrificing practicality. Today's innovations continue to redefine how we experience our homes. Smart planning, sustainable solutions, and creative design ideas allow every space to become more efficient, more enjoyable, and more connected to the surrounding environment. By blending modern convenience with timeless aesthetics, it's possible to create places that remain beautiful and functional for years to come. Every transformation is also an opportunity to express personality. Colors, textures, materials, and carefully chosen accents can create spaces that feel unique while maintaining a sense of harmony. The goal is never perfection, but creating an environment that feels authentic, inviting, and inspiring every single day. No matter the size of a project, thoughtful design proves that every corner has the potential to become something extraordinary. With imagination, careful planning, and an appreciation for quality, even the simplest ideas can evolve into breathtaking spaces that bring joy and lasting value. Thank you for spending your time with Modern Homes and Gardens. We hope today's inspiration encourages you to see new possibilities in every space around you and motivates you to create environments that reflect your own style and vision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest ideas, creative inspirations, and stunning home and garden transformations. Share this video with friends and family who love beautiful spaces, and let us know your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and remember, at Modern Homes and Gardens, where design meets nature, every space has the potential to become extraordinary. Transform your space, elevate your vibe.